First impressions, how did you feel getting on board?
In heaven, I should live there.
The paparazzi is here. Everyone's looking dapper. Everyone's looking the part. You look stunning. Can you tell us what exactly and who are you wearing this evening?
It's an original.
It's never easy getting ready for a red carpet, but you make it look so easy. How long did it take you to get ready this evening?
That's my wife, you know.
So I got to know, are you looking forward to your brand new tour of Starships this evening? You looking forward to it?
Absolutely, yeah.
First impressions, how'd you guys like the boat so far?
Very wow. When I walked in, I had the wow factor. The crew looks sharp, the boat looks sharp. They've done a really good job.
Yeah, clean, pristine. She looks in tip-top shape. She really does. Spectacular is the word I would use.
The crew is amazing. They're very knowledgeable, very personable. So the whole tour was just a lot of fun and relaxing.
Steve, I've put so many shots on a Starship, the little sister ship, and now I'm looking forward to putting more clients on the bigger boat.
Big improvement, a lot lighter, especially for the Bahamas.